Hello there, welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu, where all the ingredients are from nature, not from a lab. Now, when I first came over here, I was introduced to this dish called Mongolian beef, and I loved it. Thing is, they use flank steak, which can be on the chewy side, so I thought I'd try it using minced beef, and then I thought I'll put it in a bit of puff pastry. So today, Matthew, we're going to be making Mongolian Beef Wellington. First, we prep a red onion. You can use a white or a brown one, but I prefer the sweetness of the red. Then we slice a couple of red Thai chilies or a red pepper of your choice, as you can make up the heat later. Next, we chop a bunch of spring onions and put aside. Now for the sauce. In a pan, add a smidge of sesame oil. I always think this gives it that extra Asian taste. Then, if you really want a result, homemade beef stock. Then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and after that a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Then a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste that goes in every Asian dish. Now, depending on what chilies you did use, add red pepper flakes. After that, we need to sweeten it, so add 2 tablespoons of honey or 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And if needed, make a slurry out of cornstarch just to thicken it. Now, in a hot pan, add oil and brown off 1 pound of minced beef. And season it with salt and pepper. If it produces too much water and fat, you can always damp it off with a paper towel. Once browned, just put it aside. Shove in the onion and add more oil if needed. Once the onions are translucent, add another tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, of which there'll be a link to in the description. And then the red peppers. After that, in with the green onion. And then you put the mince back. Add a portion of the sauce, but keep some back if you're making the Wellington. If you're not making the welly, it's ready to serve over a bed of rice. Okay, so if you don't fancy the puff pastry, you can have the Mongolian beef on a bed of rice.
Let's give it a try. Yes.
Take a room temperature roll of pastry and roll it out. Make sure it's not too defrosted or the room's not too hot, or it may act up as it does here. Cut strips into one side approximately a third of the way up. And then we add the already cool mincemeat. Now, I just happen to have some cold pre-made rice available, but if you don't got it, just do it with the mince, it'll be fine. Brush with egg to make a seal and then turn it around. Pull up the paper and flip over to make the welly. Pull the strips up and twist with the finger and place them over the top of the welly. Then you wash it with an egg. Place in an oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes and then it'll be ready to serve.
Oh wow, that looks really good.
This is Mongolian Beef Wellington with extra sauce.
Looks delicious. Well, beginning to turn it over. Look at some meat.
You prefer it like that, or you like it with the just with the rice?
Both. But this, I think I prefer, yes. The pastry is very flaky. It just goes well together because the rice is already in there as well, so it's delicious.
Grazie.